Hi, my name is Emma Kate Burden. I am from Olive Branch, Mississippi, which is just right south of Memphis. I go to the University of Mississippi and I've just completed my junior year. My major is pharmaceutical sciences and I have been accepted into pharmacy school at Ole Miss. So I plan on starting in the fall. And the reason why I'm taking this course is because it's a prerequisite for pharmacy school. Some of my hobbies include hanging out with my friends, going to sporting events. SEC is really big in sports, so it's always fun to get together with your friends and do that kind of stuff. I like to play tennis. I've grown up playing tennis. My parents played. I like to read books in my spare time, and my parents actually just got a golden doodle, so it's been fun, like being with a puppy, and puppies are always so much fun. But yes, I look forward to completing this class, and I'm excited to meet you guys.